So I am heading downtown. I'm gonna do a photo shoot at noon. It's high noon. Sun's high up in the sky. I don't think we'll get much flattering light, but I'm meeting Erica downtown, so I'll probably use off-camera flash to offset that to still get some pretty cool photos. It's been a while since I've been out, but yeah, I'm getting gas because I didn't get gas last night. All right, so I just showed up. Look who pulled up. Erica, we finna make some magic. What we gonna do?
Gonna fuck some shit up.
We finna fuck some shit up, apparently. Let's go.
You're gonna stop at the Zoo and Cube Coffee.
What are we doing? Oh my god.
That's perfect.
Look at that. Look at that. I spilled my coffee. So we came to get coffee because Erica is
Turned into a toddler.
she's very exhausted. Like I said she would be. But yeah, we came to get coffee, sandwiches. And then we're gonna go out and make some coffee. What'd you say? Yeah. Look towards that light right there. I'm gonna put this at max power here. I love that. I love it. Hold that. Yeah, I love it. That's good. That's good. Drop that shoulder down. I want to see all your, like your jawline. Yeah. That's perfect. Now look back to your left. Look back. There you go. One more time. Swing that hair. One more time. That shit fine. Let's go. 1, 2, on 3. I'm gonna count it off, okay? 1. Wait, hold on. This for IG, okay? One time. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's see it. Hell yeah. This is it. Oh yeah, both hands. Yes, I love that. Up, down, kind of play with it. Yep, give me fierce. So we just finished this first look. We're actually gonna be done, but we're gonna do a second outfit now. What are we doing, Erica? What outfit are we doing?
It's a little swimsuit
Yeah.
today.
Yeah.
It's a little swimsuit.
So we have these neutral colors here, and so we're likely just gonna play around. We got some direct light that we can get, maybe some mottled sunlight too. Yeah, I gotta get my tin out. Hold on a sec. All right, so we're about to do a second shoot here. Eric is changing into a swimsuit, and we've got some pretty cool neutral colors over here. And so there's a lot of homeless people over here, and this is a federal building, which I did not know was public. And so at first I thought we had to sneak and take photos here, but we really are we're good. So where we're at, we have the lights peeking in at certain areas, so I can position her however I want. Whether it's in direct sunlight or with the sun behind her, we can get some dope photos. And so here we go. Yep. I love it. Good. Face the glass. Right there. Yep, right there. That angle right there. Perfect. Oh, God damn it, I got these shoes in my shit, man. I gotta go. There we go, let me see. Boom. Hair flip. Let me see the hair flip. That was the slowest hair flip in history. Oh, you tired? You tired?
No.
Wait, squat down, squat. I don't even know why I'm looking shocked. Like, your boy,
Like,
I told you somebody grabbed my wagon, they ain't going nowhere.
yeah, that was quick as hell.
There you go. Hair flip, hair flip. One time, boom. All right, again. Actually, hair flip the other way. Hair flip the other way. On three. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. On three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I want you to do something different with that left hand. There you go. That's good, actually. When you're looking up with your head up, that works really well. Remember, point those toes. Oh, that's it. That's the angle. Hey, so we just wrapped up the photo shoot. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all want to see more content like this, click one of these videos. If y'all want to see Erica in another video, comment down below.
No, you do. I know y'all want to see.
We'll see y'all in the next one.